Are you thinking of switching from Tidal HiFi to Apple Music but worried about losing your carefully curated playlists? Today we're going to show you a simple way to transfer your playlists using Playlist Go. This method works on your computer and helps you move your favorite tracks quickly and easily. First, head over to the Playlist Go website and download it. When you open Playlist Go, you'll see two sections. The left side is for the source platform, and the right side is for the destination platform. Since we're transferring from Tidal to Apple Music, you need to log in to both your Tidal and Apple Music accounts within the app. On the left side, select your Tidal account as the source. Once logged in, Playlist Go will display all your playlists and albums. Browse through your playlists and select the ones you want to transfer to Apple Music. Next, on the right side, select your Apple Music account as the destination for the transfer. Now, click on Start Transfer. Playlist Go will begin matching your tracks with Apple Music. This may take a few minutes depending on the number of songs in your playlists. Once the matching process is complete, you'll see a report showing which tracks were successfully matched. Finally, click Start Transfer again to complete the migration. Your playlists should now appear in your Apple Music account, ready to enjoy. And that's it. Using Playlist Go, switching from Tidal HiFi to Apple Music is fast, easy, and keeps all your favorite playlists intact. Try it out and make your music transition seamless.